Geoffrey Zakarian here, and happy Sunday morning. And what's better on a Sunday morning, other than a lot of espresso, is a beautiful Sunday brunch. And I am going to set you up for one of my favorite things that's on all my menus in my restaurants. It's called a Greek Sunday morning. We're going to start with yogurt. This is going to act as our sort of canvas. I'm going to start by showing you how to supreme these two beautiful Harry and David citrus. We're going to take the grapefruit and cut off the bottom. So then we take a very sharp knife. Now we're just going to go around the top. And what this does is gets the membrane away, keeps the grapefruit in perfect shape, and there shouldn't be a lot of grapefruit juice coming off of this. Now we're just going to segment it, and all you do is go right in between it, like that. Okay, so we're gonna do our orange next. Same exact method. Now we're gonna slice an avocado. So we're gonna take some of these dried mango and just cut it in what's called julienne, just like that. Beautiful dried pear, some apricot, some apple. And so what that's gonna do is add this richness. Now we can just have some fun. I'm just gonna sprinkle it, a bit of grapes up and down. Let's put some berries on there. We're gonna go in with the avocado. We're gonna put the citrus on top of it. And then, almonds, crunch. Honey. It's gonna drizzle it from above for drama. Some beautiful basil leaves, and maybe some mint. There you have it. A Greek Sunday morning. No brunch is complete though without our Bloody Mary. We put a generous amount of vodka in a pitcher. I'm using Harry and David Bloody Mary mix. A little of this cornichon juice. This is caper onion pickle juice that really rounds out the flavor. And then we have a dill hot sauce. Just a few dashes of this. And I'm adding a little something to it to make it my special. The secret is whole grain mustard. I'm gonna put a generous amount of whole grain mustard in this. It's even more attractive now with that mustard seed in it. Very important, we wanna rim the glass. Lemon juice on the edge or lime juice. And then we're just gonna put it in here. Are you ready? This is our spicy chili lime mix. And then we're ready to add our gorgeous mixture. This is the Bloody Mary, courtesy of Harry and David and GZ. Cheers.